saw.
It's one of our storm shelters. It's 8 foot by 3 foot by 54 inches tall. Completely flush. Trim plates on the outside. Ventilation fan in the back. Carpenter steps goes all the way down to the bottom.
Turn the fan on.
There's the fan. You get in here, you can remove these steps to give you added length for a bench. Just take the steps and store them underneath. This thing, door locks behind you. It can be unlocked by emergency personnel from the outside, or you just pull this latch to get out. Everything rides on ball bearings, and there are pins attached here for you to disconnect just in case anything happens. Push on the lid, go straight up. There's a safety chain that you can actually lock through here, push it closed, and feed the chain in here, and that secures it even more. But the locking mechanism is pretty unique because anything outside can't really unlock it unless it punctures down on this little cam. So, once again, pull the lever. There's a handrail. Going up or going down. It's completely flush with the slab. And if you're worrying about leaking or anything, this thing sits about 1/4 inch up. And so any water that does get in here is simply going to go around the shelter and follow the pitch of the slab.